First off, we're going to draw a very small upside down V at the top. This is going to be the Christmas tree star. Then we're going to draw a line straight out and a line straight out the other way. Then we draw 2 lines down, just like that. And on the bottom, we draw another V and 1 more V. Perfect. Now, if you guys find I'm going too fast, you can always hit pause and you can always rewind me at any time. I do recommend watching the whole video first before you attempt to draw it along with. That way you kind of know where things are going. Now we're going to draw the sides of the tree. So we're going to draw a swoop down and then go in. And then we're going to draw a swoop down out further and then go in. And then another swoop down and then go in. Just like that. One more. And then a swoop down. Perfect. Now we'll do the same on the other side. Swoop it down, bring it in, swoop it down and out, bring it in, swoop it down and out further, bring it in, swoop it down. Now at the bottom of the tree, we're just going to do some little lines like this, kind of like you'd see on the bottom of a cloud or something. Just like that. Now we can draw the stump of the tree. That's not right. It's stump. It is a, what is it? It's a trunk. Yep. So now I'm going to switch to my fine marker, and we're going to add some little details for fun. So we can add some Christmas tree ornaments. So we can add one here, a circle, just put a little circle and a top on it, a little circle here and a top, a little circle here and a top. And you can draw maybe some triangle ones if you like. That's kind of just different, something to do. And maybe, I don't know, I'll add another circle one here. Perfect. That is how you draw a Christmas tree. Now, if you want to add presents on the bottom, because who doesn't, I would just add a, say, rectangle shape here. Rectangle shape. Maybe a square shape here. And let's add another one over here. This one could be, let's do this one round. This one's a round one. And like when I do round ones, I like to do the type of Christmas tree that almost looks like a candy. So you put these like edges on it. Just like that. All right, some last details for the presents. Let's put some ribbon on it, ribbon. And this one, we'll do ribbon this way, and we'll do ribbon this way, just for fun. And this one we'll do a ribbon. We'll curve this one a bit, because it's curved. And we're going to put a bow on this one here. So to do a bow, we're just going to draw a little curved shape there, and then we're going to draw 2 big curved shapes sticking to the bow. And then we'll just draw a line, and that's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, click like, subscribe if this is your first time watching, and if you want to see other Christmas videos I've done, you can check out my Christmas playlist. So keep drawing.